This is the new 2023 Volvo S60 Recharge T8 in Thunder Grey. Volvo Cars has introduced a new, improved Recharge plug-in hybrid powertrain on its 90 and 60 series models, significantly extending electric range while lowering CO2 emissions, increasing performance and improving drivability. Volvo Cars' new and improved hybrid powertrain brings the all-electric range up to a projected 90 kilometers on a single charge. With the average premium car owner traveling less than 50 kilometers each weekday, most Volvo drivers with home charging will be able to do their daily motoring on pure electric power in a new Volvo plug-in hybrid. The main improvements include a new long-range battery, featuring a third layer of cells to increase nominal energy from 11.6 kilowatt-hours to 18.8 kilowatt-hours, and a more powerful rear electric motor now delivering 145 horsepower. The additional electric power results in a total combined output of 350 horsepower for Recharge T6 and 455 horsepower for Recharge T8 models, making the latter the most powerful Volvo cars ever produced. Besides the new powertrain, new upgrades include one-pedal drive on specific models.